Oh,
it's too dark.
well, yeah, it's too dark. Let me try to go
Open this. No, open this.
No, I'm turning on. Is it good now?
Nope.
No.
It was kind of good. Let's just do both of them.
Yeah, let's turn on. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's take off our socks. I hate staying with socks.
Yeah, it's so
I hate even wearing socks. Oh, we started.
Oh my goodness!
Sorry guys. That was awkward. But today we're going to be doing the fidget spinner box. Now we don't have a giant box like all YouTubers do, so we're just gonna have to open it.
No, we don't.
And look up.
No, we can just do this. Look.
Oh yeah,
Look.
we could just close it a little and get it without looking. Okay. So, ready?
So,
Guess we're gonna start. So I'll go first. Oh, I don't finish.
and we have 12 rounds.
Yeah, 12 rounds. Fidget spinner number 1.
Oh,
Plain
you
old
got
yellow.
yellow.
So, spins really good. Spins really nice.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah.
Oh.
He got this one.
Oh my goodness.
This is his spin flip.
Oh, it's been so fast. See that? I'm not like Sis versus Brawl. I don't like do this like Karina. Oh my goodness. Like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's been so fast. Oh, fascinating.
Okay, so we each get 6 fidget spinners. So there's going to be 6 rounds.
Okay, so 2 for him more and 2 for me.
No.
I mean 1 for you left.
Alright.
It's actually 11 because the other one's outside. Like, wait, 1?
Oh, yeah. Well, some of them are outside. Oh, yes, I got my LED one.
My LED one is white. It's just like that, but
It's like this. It's what?
the bearing is
Wait,
lost.
just a second, guys. Wait. Come out. Oh, it's there. There we go. This is my LED fidget spinner.
My turn, guys. My turn.
I'll make sure it doesn't work.
Ninja.
Oh,
Ninja
Star.
Karate.
You got the Ninja Star one. Alright.
Oh yeah, it's been so fast. Oh, fascinating.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh,
you just got
yes.
roasted.
I keep getting all my normal fidget spinners. Oh my goodness.
This is.
Keep getting all my plain old normal.
This one's yours. This one's your thingy.
No. That's probably yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's probably mine. Go.
Hey, look. I got it.
Yes,
Oh, I got
you got my red one.
Fascinating.
My fascinating plain old red one.
Let me see.
Look, all of these are plain old normal. All mine are plain old. Wait,
And this is metal too.
no, it's not. So this is it. We have to be showing the fidget spinner box. Oh, now they
What
can
did
see
you just?
our
Now
ad.
Hey, I got it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's been so fast. Oh, fascinating me. Oh my goodness. That's mine.
Yes!
Oh, you got mine.
I got the other.
You got mine.
Wait, what? Why does this look? Wait, okay.
Okay, this is what it looks like.
Yeah, here it is. This is a rainbow.
These two are the same thing.
Well,
There's
wait,
actually,
you have
you
to
can
name,
get two of
at
these.
the end, you have to name all your fidget spinners.
Oh no, that's hard. That's really hard.
And which ones you get to keep, and which ones you get to give to the other person.
No.
I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I'm taking this one. I'm taking it. I'm taking it.
Dude, that one's mine. This one's yours.
Oh.
Well, here.
Then let's switch since we got the same thing. So here it is.
There's a red one. There's a red one. Give me that.
I'll trade you one of mine.
No.
Fine. You have to name all the fidget spinners that you got, but you don't get to keep them anymore. So
Let's
here's this
actually
one
do a
that I
battle. Let's actually do a battle between these two.
got. No. Go.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
This one's really light. This is like the lightest and tiniest fidget spinner I've ever seen.
Ooh.
غيري بس من غير ما تتكلمي. Okay?
Okay, I just got the red, black one. Oh my gosh.
You got this black one.
My black one. I got my own black one. Oh my goodness.
There's only like.
There's two black ones and two of these.
Oh yeah, by the way, our dad got this, so somebody might get this.
That
if they're
is a
stupid.
giant bearing.
Somebody might
That's a giant
It's a giant
fidget spinner bearing.
I know it doesn't
fidget.
look giant for real. But
Yeah, it doesn't really.
it's big. It's not giant, but it's big.
Yeah, but it's ginormous.
Let's see what I can do.
Is there a lot more?
No, there's only like 3 more. There's 2 more fidget spinners. There's only the steering for the 3rd one. So, bro, I don't know what to get.
You gotta choose it. Seriously? Just quickly get one.
No!
Yeah! That's what you get. That's what you get. That's my turn. Okay, there's only 2 more choices.
I was like trying to see which one is the best feeling.
Oh my gosh!
You can't get 2 of the same thing. You can't get 2 of the same thing, so we have to. You
can.
No, you can't. Okay, the rules are you can't get 2 of the same thing. So I'm gonna trade you my green one for that black one. Yay! Okay. I guess I get the stupid bearing. It's not fair. I hate this.
It's not my fault.
Fine. All right.
Okay.
Off to the naming. All right, we're at the naming part. Okay, I get to name this one first. I want to name this one first. I'm gonna name this one the Arrowhead.
Where?
I don't know why I named that stupid name. All right, whatever. Continue. You.
Okay. Gonna name this one.
Five hours later.
It's not 5 hours.
5 hours later. Okay, really?
Look.
I know you twisted to get open. Okay, what are you gonna name it?
I can't put this back in.
Dude, it's not loose. It's supposed to be like that. Alright guys, so we had to move out. Because our parents told us to get out of the room. Oh yeah, we could go to the other room. This is my packaging box. This actually, my phone came in this package.
Yeah.
Came in such a tiny package.
Racist.
Get in here.
Why don't we say everything's racist? Let's go on
Because
my
you don't
bed.
know what it is.
Let's go on my bed. That is so light.
Alright, on the bed. Alright, so let's continue.
Okay. Oh, my face
Wait.
is right here.
Oh no. Oh gosh. Don't cuss.
Are you guys okay down there? Are you guys okay down there? You guys cute?
It's okay. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna take my fidget spinners out.
Okay, I'm gonna name this guy the Iron Ingot. Let me say everything. Minecraft just now. Okay, the Iron Rainbow.
Alright, the rainbow iron. You should name it the rainbow iron, not the iron rain. Alright. I'm gonna name this one My
It's
LED
favorite.
one.
This is my favorite one in all of mine.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
It has a tape right here.
Oh yeah, by the way, we got some new fidget spinners.
Yeah,
They're from the other video that I made, you know. Oh, I still didn't upload that to YouTube. Wow. Well, the next
Is
video.
Daisy here?
No.
Here, Daisy. Daisy is my doggy.
Yeah, if you haven't watched that video yet, go ahead and watch it.
Oh, and now I will name this bad boy. I guess I'll name this Black Ingot. Okay, I'll name it Black Fidget. Black Fidget.
Here it is. This is the one that I'm naming. I'm gonna name it.
He's probably gonna name it Colorful, Beautiful Girlfriend.
Light Up.
Oh, and by the way, guys, if
Light Up.
he's gonna make a video about his girlfriend.
I don't even have one.
Cause his
Actually,
guy
this one's called Lightning. Lightning McQueen.
What the? Queen? Cause the name of your girlfriend?
No.
Queen? Okay, I'll name this one
Yeah, they can't see anything.
Ninja Star.
This one.
Ninja Star. That's Ninja Star.
Ninja Star.
Oh, we just catched it.
My black one. I wonder. You know what? I need some water. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna go get some water.
Okay, and I will name this guy.
I didn't even name my black one yet.
Oh my fucking god. I'm sorry, YouTube, but I'm a good boy.
Alright, well, my black one.
Actually, can I trade you one of these?
No.
For this?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'll give you. This one says where you named it.
I never named that one.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
I'm
just
getting
kidding.
the red one. No.
Okay, I already named all of these.
No.
Except the green one. I don't want this one.
You didn't name the red one.
Yeah. I named all of these. So I'm done.
You didn't name the red one. You have to name this one.
Okay, guys, I'm going to name this green fan. Okay, I'm done.
No, you still
I don't have any more. I don't want that.
First of all, you never. Alright, then I got all of these in. Alright. Hey guys, I'm sorry for this. This was very stupid.
I only have 2 more, guys. That's beautiful.
I still have a bunch of more to name. I still have to name this one and this red one. So
Yeah, that's
and the
enough.
yellow one and the yellow one. So
I named 2 of them. You already named the yellow one.
no, I didn't.
Oh, this one?
So where'd you put my?
We're rich with fidget spinners, guys. It's raining fidget
So I'm gonna
spinners.
rain my red one the blood. The blood. And wait, let me just name all mine real quick. I'm gonna name this one the bearing.
Sexy, I say sexy.
This yellow one, the flower. I mean, the sunflower. Sunflower. Mama!
The name of your girlfriend, Sunflower? Oh, you brought your girlfriend Sunflower? Oh, your girlfriend's a sunflower?
Yeah, dude. Alright.
You said yeah.
I didn't. Oh,
Guys, you said yeah,
I
dude.
said you, dude. So my brother's gonna name this his red one.
I didn't even name it.
The camel's blood.
I never even said
Am I
it.
from SML? The Camel's Blood?
No. I'm gonna name my red one Carlos' shirt because his shirt is red and this is wow. Okay, never mind. I'll go with Hell. Yes, Hell. I'm gonna name this Hell.
Alright, you named all
Oh,
of them.
hell no.
Get out of here.
I still have one more.
Fine, the green one. Name it.
Grass.
Okay, get that out. Alright, so I'll tell you guys what original fidget spinners that we already had. So, my brother had... Oh my gosh. These were all the fidget spinners that were his. I accidentally said hers. He had this one. These are all his original fidget spinners. This one. No.
I want this one.
And this one.
I only have two. See?
No, this one was his. I'm gonna show you guys all
This
his.
one was mine. This
No,
one
it
was mine.
wasn't.
Yeah?
Oh yeah,
I need a black one.
his black one right here. This was his,
And I need my red one.
and his red one right.
You even showing them this one? Yeah, baby girl.
Yeah, and the berry one. So let me show you guys it.
So guys, now we're gonna do.
Dude, move! I need to show them all yours.
You already did.
No. Well, the ones that he got in this video we just showed you, but this is his original fidget spinners that he always had. Hey, put those two back.
Except this one. Or this one.
No, this one is the new one, and that one. So it's all these.
Oh no.
Alright, and then
You just showed the bearing.
oh yeah,
No! Don't.
whatever. Well, and then these were all mine. I have all fidget spinners. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the diamond shit.
That was the diamond shield. Oh my.
It's the diamond shoe.
You said the diamond.
Once I accidentally said the diamond shit. Old.
Oh my goodness.
Dude,
the diamond
when I was in the middle of it,
Fuck you guys.
dude, when I was in the middle of it, I was like, so this was the diamond
Okay guys, you have to
shit.
start the whole video again. Oh shit, motherfucker.
Guys, I'm sorry. My brother, this is the last video that my brother will ever be in.
We will.
Goodbye.